you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, 8-vehicle collision along Constant Spring Road. Please remember to subscribe, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. The Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF) reported traffic delays earlier today along Constant Spring Road following an 8-vehicle collision. The traffic pileup was said to be in the vicinity of Dunrobin Avenue in St. Andrew. There were no immediate reports of injuries.
Yeah, drivers, Constant Spring Road, you know? Yeah, man. Right before the hardware traffic accident, you see me? Lumbo clad, right in the traffic castle. See it, yeah? Coaster bus and a hammer. Wicked detail, wicked mashup. This is a Nissan March, lick up in it too. Holy there, man. That's our 3 vehicle gone now.
Yeah, what is that?
3 vehicle gone now, you see me? You see what I'm Buckler at a 4 vehicle lot. 4 vehicle lot. You understand? That one over there so make 5. This makes 6. That makes 7. That make 8. 8 vehicle. 8 vehicle. You understand? 8 vehicle. You see me? 4 man things like that, so. 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see our fields hardware over there, so. You understand? Yeah, man. 8 vehicle accident. Constant Spring Road. Can't move. Can't go down to Afro Tree, so all drivers detour.
Oh, stupid police! What are them police that stupid police? Stuck in our accident. Wow. One call ambulance. Call ambulance.
JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.